channel. So in this video I'm going to review this Lavanya subscription box. Now this is the new subscription box in the market. This is super duper affordable. First of all, it retails for only 300 rupees and the products that you get is approximately for 1000 rupees, which is amazing that you just have to pay 300 rupees and you're gonna get at least 1000 rupees ke products, so which is thumbs up. So let's quickly open it and see कि इसमें क्या क्या है. Now this is how it looks like from the inside. Wait, let me show you this cutesy thing. Now this is the thing which actually touches my heart because these are the handwritten notes. Now they are handwritten. I mean, anything which is printed, no. Handwritten are the best. So because they are personalized and they are, directly from the heart and they're specially written for you. This card, everything is mentioned that whatever you're gonna get in the box, जो भी आपको box में मिलेगा, उसके prices and उसका नाम और details वगैरह इस card के ऊपर है. So this is the second card. Now let's quickly dig into the stuff. This is how the inside of the box looks like, and the first thing that I got are these picture clips. Now you might have seen it on Instagram or Pinterest that people are literally just taking the strings and taking these clips and just hanging the pictures on these clips, and it looks super duper cute. So these are the clips, so it's really cute and they are in the shape of garments. So these picture clip retails for 249 rupees. Now the second thing is this pouch, which is super duper handy dandy and it's really travel friendly. You can just store your stuff, your makeup, or your toiletries, anything that you want in this pouch, and you can just carry it around. I think this bag is super duper handy dandy and the quality as well is very nice, I would say. This pouch is for 169 rupees. Now the third thing in the box is this face pack. This is a charcoal face pack, and as we all know, charcoal is amazing for your skin. It just detoxifies your skin and just literally rejuvenates your skin. So this is the third thing that I get in this box, and this charcoal face pack is for 340 rupees, and the quantity I would say is really nice. It's a very huge quantity. I think that the quantity is very nice. It's 100 gram of packaging, and you can see that it's gonna last me a really long time, I would say. So this is the third thing, which is a charcoal face pack. Now the next thing in the box are these earrings. This is how it looks like. Very ethnic sort of earring. So if you are wearing any kurti or something like that, you can totally rock these. The color is very nice and the quality I would say is also very good. This is how these earrings looks like. I would say it's really cute earrings. You can also get some color options in this earrings as well, so you can choose the color according to you. That whatever color you want, you can just tell them and they're gonna send you the color that you want. And these earrings are for 149 rupees. It's really pretty and I really like them. And the last thing in the box is this lip liner, and it's a really pretty color. It's a red color, and red color lip liners are always a thumbs up. I have this blush on this hand, so I'm just gonna swatch it here. This is how it looks like. Super pigmented, I would say, really creamy, a little bit drying but not that drying, so it's gonna be very pretty matte color. And this lip liner is for 49 rupees. So these are all the stuff that you're gonna get in the May edition. Next month you're gonna get different stuff. So if you want to order this box, you can just directly go to their Instagram page and you can just chat to them, just DM them, and they're gonna talk to you. You can choose the color that you want of these earrings. Just tell them that I want this color and they're gonna send you that. So which is really nice. And yeah. Now that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!